of the biggest mistakes I see is people trying to get these heavy metals out of the body, or mold toxins, or some other type of chemical toxin out of the body while minerals in the system are low. The body uses minerals for all kinds of functions. It uses it to send signals from the body to the brain and from the brain back to the body, and a wide variety of other functions. When minerals in the system are low, the body will sometimes want to hold on to these other toxins to kind of use them in place of missing minerals. So if there's heavy metals in the body will want to hold on to those because it can use some of those heavy metals to kind of send signals through. So what we want to have happen is that we want to have enough minerals in the system that the body feels okay about letting go of all these toxins. The second biggest mistake I see is people trying to detox all these horrible substances from their body, but they're trying to do it while bile is not flowing correctly. Bile is this soapy substance that's made in the liver and then it's stored in the gallbladder so we eat food. It helps us digest our food correctly. But for a wide variety of reasons, a person's bile can become too thick and sticky to flow correctly. It's not coming down and helping us digest our food the way that it should. Now, the big problem with this is that the liver takes this junk out of the body, it filters it out just like it's supposed to, and then it puts a lot of that filth in the bile. So when the bile comes down, it goes out the back door when we poop. So then all these toxins get reassimilated, and now the liver's got to filter them out all over again, and the liver gets overwhelmed. Not drinking enough pure, clean water. Either not drinking enough water to help the body wash this junk out, or they're drinking like tap water that's filled with even more chemicals and heavy metals and all this other junk, and they're just putting more junk in the body. So the body really needs water to wash out junk, and it's really common for someone not to be drinking enough or to be drinking water that isn't actually clean and pure. We like to see people drink like reverse osmosis water, and maybe they put some minerals back in that water, or some type of really filtered water that's really going to clear out the stuff. More than like one of those Brita water filters is going to do with a little bit of charcoal. Those are not going to filter all the stuff out. You really want to get the junk out of the water that you're drinking so that you're bringing in water that can actually wash junk out instead of bring more junk in. Now, here's the caveat to that. If a person has low blood pressure like we just talked about, they don't want to drink a ton of water because then they're just going to wash out the small amount of minerals that they have and make it even harder for their body to detox.